Welcome to video number 5 in this 6-part video series on the brand new FYA model, as well as how to make money on YouTube without making videos. In the first 4 videos of this series, I introduced you to the brand new FYA model, and I discussed with you how just simply grabbing stock footage and Creative Commons videos and putting a little bit of commentary over it is outdated, and that it's not what the biggest, most successful channels are doing today. They have shifted to this new FYA model. So in today's video, we have something very important. I'm going to be discussing with you guys the 3 best ways on how you can actually start making money on your YouTube channels right now today, as well as the best ways to make money on your channels without AdSense or monetization at all. So the number 1 and my favorite method of making money on your YouTube channels is, of course, monetization and YouTube ads. So in order to be eligible for this, what you need is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And I know it sounds like a lot, but it's actually not as much as you guys think. In fact, I've actually had students who have passed those requirements in literally just 1 video. And that is because they followed the correct methods and techniques. And so if you do it the right way, it's actually something that can be really fast to attain. So one of the most important things once you get monetized is, first of all, you want to make your videos over 8 minutes. And the reason why is because YouTube will only let you place ads in the timeline if it's over 8 minutes long. So you can have ads in the middle of the video if it's less than 8 minutes, but you don't get to place them, which means you don't get to put as many as you want, and obviously more ads equals more impressions equals more money for you. The other thing that's really important that plays into this is CPM. CPM is basically how much money you get paid per 1,000 views, and it can range anywhere from $1 to over $60 per 1,000 views. So a lot of people want to know, what is the best way to increase your CPM? One way you can do it is by making longer videos. 20-30 minute videos will increase your CPM because of the fact that there will just probably be more ads placed on that video. But the most important thing is the niche. And a lot of this comes down to common sense. If there's a lot of expensive products or a lot of different products that you can sell in a certain niche, it's probably going to be higher CPM. So for instance, some of the big ones are finance, make money online, as well as technology, as well as travel, insurance, cars, houses, all of those sort of things, because they are big ticket purchases. Cars are expensive, houses are expensive. So of course there's going to be more money involved in those niches. If you're thinking about technology, there's tons and tons of different products that are sold on technology. A lot of them, again, are expensive. So now if you think about a niche like swimming or conspiracies or politics, when it's not actually an election going on, so in those niches there isn't really a whole lot of products that can be sold, right? So because of that, naturally it's going to be a lower CPM niche. Now, if you have a lower CPM niche, it doesn't mean you can't make money. You're just going to need more views to make money. So there's some niches that get millions and millions of views. They're still low CPM niches, but they get way more views. Like, it's hard to find a make money online video that has over 50 million views, right? But it's really easy to find videos that have over 50 million views on other niches. So CPM isn't the end all be all, but it is something to consider. The second way that you can make money with your channels is something that I've personally used to actually double my income on my channels. And the best part about it is you don't need to wait to get monetized, and you can actually start doing it from day one. The beauty of it is you don't need inventory and you don't need to manufacture anything. And if you haven't guessed by now, what I'm talking about is creating digital products. So you may be wondering, does that take a long time to do? Do you need to be an expert in something? How does it all work? And the answer is yes. It's taken me over 4 years to create the perfect, absolute best product on the market for making money on YouTube. But one of the cool things about it is that you can do a digital product on almost anything. Like, I've seen digital products sell over $100,000 on how to jump rope, as well as products like how to jump higher and things like that. So almost anything can be turned into a digital product, even things that you've never even thought of. But if you aren't able to make a digital product, the beauty of this is it goes into number 3, which is that you can sell other people's products. I've personally been able to make over $200,000 on my channels without AdSense at all, just by doing this right here, which is called affiliate marketing. All I do is place links and I make over $200,000 on these channels. So there's tons and tons of different marketplaces that you can join for free to market other people's products. And you can find literally hundreds of thousands, if not millions of products for any niche you're in. Some of my favorite places are Digistore24, ClickBank, JVZoo, as well as Amazon. But almost every single store actually has an affiliate program, such such as Walmart, Best Buy, all of those places. And so the number one thing that you need to do that other people don't do, they do this wrong, they just throw links everywhere, right? No one ever clicks it, no one ever buys it. It needs to be highly targeted. So whatever your niche is, you need to think like, what exactly is this niche interested in? What exactly does this niche actually, what problem is in this niche that this link could solve, right? It needs to be highly targeted. So for instance, in some other videos, I introduced you to different softwares, one that allows you to make Creative Commons videos very, very quickly, and another one that allows you to do commentary without actually having to do your own commentary or hire a voiceover. Those are specifically targeted. You guys are interested in making money on YouTube without making videos, and these softwares make it extremely easy and fast for you. So that's an example of highly niche down targeting. And here's a bonus tip for people who do affiliate marketing. So for instance, when I showed you guys that software, Speechelo, and you want to make a video on it, do not title it Speechelo Review. Title it Best Voice Automation Software. And the reason why is because people that are searching for just the best automation software are going to find that video, right? But if you title it Speechelo Review, the only people that are going to search for it are people that have actually heard of Speechelo before. But there's a massive portion of the audience that doesn't even know what Speechelo is yet. They're just looking for the best automated software. So if you title it Best Automated Software, you're just going to find so many more people who've never even heard of Speechelo. Not only that, when everybody titles their video Speechelo Review, they're all competing to get that person to click their link instead of somebody else's. When you title it something completely different, like Best Video Automation Software, now you're getting a massive portion of the audience that hasn't even seen any of those other Speechelo reviews. Another thing you should do is say for instance, if I wanted to give you a link for vidIQ, and instead of saying here is a link to vidIQ, say here is my favorite research software, because then they have to click it to see exactly what your favorite research software is. So say you're marketing a book from Amazon, don't just say here's this book and title it, right? But say, here is my favorite book on this topic. And then, of course, if they click that link and buy anything from Amazon, you're going to get the commission. So all you need to do is type that into the description as well as pin to the top comment. You'll have everybody that sees that video see that link and have the opportunity to click it. Now it's just how do you word it to get them to want to click. You can also add call to actions inside your videos and all sorts of things. And the beauty of these things is that you can mix all three of these together, like hopefully you've seen examples of me doing in the past. And by mixing all three together, you really build a very great business with a lot of different revenue streams. And the beauty is, you're doing all three of them with just that one video. So you're doing the work one time, and you're getting paid 3 different ways. So as you guys know, I've literally been selling courses on these subjects for over 4 years. I've been blessed to be able to help so many different people. Here's Jeff right here, who is able to use news and elections to literally make over $65,000 in just 28 days. Here's Michelson from our Facebook group as well, who made over $63,000 with 33 million views in 28 days. Here's Ashwani right here, who's created 5 channels over the last 6 to 7 months and has been able to make over $31,000 from June to October, as well as $576 in literally 7 days. One more here, this is from a video that Freud shared with us. As you can see, he was able in the last 28 days to make over $7,000. So as you can see, this is changing people's life. Now, I'm not saying that if you join a program or if you post videos like this that you're absolutely going to go viral and make a bunch of money. But this is just an example of what's possible if you put in the work, if you stay motivated, if you stay consistent, if you keep learning and getting better every single day. You have no other possibility but to succeed if you keep on trying until you succeed. And the people who have that mindset are the ones who are going to find success. But if you want to learn this from somebody who's been doing this for over 5 years and who's been teaching it for over 4 years, somebody who's been the pioneer of this and taught some of the biggest gurus in this niche how to do this, and literally watch over my shoulder, and not only that, but get personalized individual feedback and attention and guidance on a level that I have never done before, you're going to want to sign up for the early bird waitlist down below. The people on the early bird waitlist get access access the day before the public, which is a really big deal because I'm only letting in a small handful of people. So the chances are the people on the early bird waitlist, which is over 2,000 right now, are going to get access before the public. And by that point, I expect it to be sold out. So if you want a chance to join this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that has never been done in this niche and will never be done again, you're going to need to be on that early bird waitlist. We are only a few days from release for the Tube Monetization and Automation 2.0, and I am so excited for these exclusive bonuses that you're going to get that will literally change the game forever. So if you want to learn how to do this brand new FYA model that all the biggest faceless YouTube channels are doing, get on that early bird waitlist. That's it. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace. So now video number 6 is ready in the 6-part video series. The video will be right here. So if you see this video, part number 6 is ready. Go ahead and watch the video.